Watch flowchart diamonds become Python code that thinks. Today we're becoming translation wizards. We'll transform flowchart diamonds into Python if statements, master the diamond to code rules, and build powerful conditions from flowchart logic. Here's our first breakthrough. Remember those diamond shapes in your flowcharts from week 6? Those decision points are exactly like Python if statements. Same logic, different language. Look at this flowchart diamond asking age greater than or equal to 13. The yes path leads to an action. The no path continues. This is decision-making in visual form. Watch the transformation. The diamond becomes an if statement, the condition stays the same, and the yes path becomes our indented code block. It's like translating between two languages. Perfect. Here's our translated code in action. Notice how the diamond's question, age greater than or equal to 13, became our condition, and the yes path became the print statement that runs inside the if block. Now that we've seen it in action, let's formalize these powerful rules. Each translation follows this exact pattern, and once you master this, you can convert any flowchart into working code. With those rules locked in, let's expand our condition toolkit. Watch how double equals checks for exact matches while not equals spots differences. Each operator gives us a different superpower for making decisions. Quick challenge time. What condition would check if a score is 90 or higher? Think about which comparison operator we need. Perfect. We use greater than or equal to if score is greater than or equal to 90. The greater than or equal operator is our friend for minimum requirements. Here's the amazing truth. Every single flowchart diamond can become a Python if statement. The logic stays exactly the same. We're just changing the language from pictures to text. Outstanding work! You've unlocked the power to translate any flowchart decision into working Python code. That's some serious programming magic right there. Incredible progress. We discovered that diamond shapes become if statements, yes paths become indented code, and conditions translate directly from flowcharts. You're officially a flowchart translator. Next up, mastering indentation rules.